Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Treadrippers here, back with another video. We are currently here at Bill's Cycle and ATV in Silsbee, Texas. We dropped off something a little special and decided we're going to get some work done on it just because we didn't have time ourselves. So, I'm going to introduce to you a 2014 Yamaha Viking. So when we first got the Viking, it did not run, which was thought to be an ECU problem. We got it fixed now, so we're gonna crank it up, give it a little cold start feeling to it. Okay. Now that I'm in my chariot here, it don't sound half bad. All right, so special thanks to Bill's Cycle and ATV for helping us out on this project. Ready to get back home and get it on the trails. So we'll catch y'all then. They don't like pavement. Strapped down, ready to roll. We'll catch y'all at the house. We're gonna go on a little test drive here. Steering wheel ain't really aligned with the wheel.
What?
The steering wheel ain't really aligned